So our next topic ay compounds. Compounds are two or more elements like H2O, CO2, HCl, and NaCl. Yung building blocks niya are molecules. Now, ang compounds ay may dalawang klaseng chemical formulas. First is ang molecular formula, which is an exact formula. Second is the empirical formula, which is the simplest form. For example, ethylene. Yung molecular formula niya ay C2H4, pero we can divide this by 2, so it becomes CH2. So ito yung empirical formula niya. So kapag ECE ka, usually ito yung mga problem solving sa chemistry na lumalabas sa board exam. Pero I'm not sure if up to this moment ganun pa din. Pero yung time ko last October 2018 ay ito talaga yung majority sa questions for chemistry. So let's try to solve one problem. Calculate the empirical formula of a compound with a percent composition of 52.17% carbon, 13.05% hydrogen, and 34.75% oxygen. So step number 1 is to get the mass. So let's assume mass is 100 grams. For carbon, you have 100 grams times 52.17%, that is 52.17 grams. For hydrogen, you have 100 grams times 13.05%, that is 13.05 grams. For oxygen, you have 100 grams times 34.75%, that is 34.75 grams. So, ang reason kung bakit 100 grams yung assumed mass natin ay para mas madali. Kung ilan yung percent composition, yun na din yung mass. Step number 2 is to get the number of moles. Take note, class, that the number of moles is equal to mass in grams divided by molar mass. So for carbon, 52.17 divided by 12, that is equal to 4.3475. Hydrogen, 13.05 divided by 1, that is equal to 13.05. Oxygen, 34.75 divided by 15, that is equal to 2.1719. Step number 3 is divide by the lowest number. So, yung lowest number natin from step 2 is 2.1719. So, ito silang tatlo, we will divide it by 2.1719. So, for carbon, 4.3475 divided by 2.1719, that is equal to 2. Hydrogen, that is 13.05 divided by 2.1719, that is 6. Oxygen is 2.1719 divided by 2.1719, that is 1. So, yung final answer natin ay C2H6O. Now, pwede mo din itong i-reverse engineering since may choices naman din sa board exam. So, kung reverse engineering, ang gagawin mo lang ay kukunin yung percent composition from the choices. So, di ba yung answer natin is C2H6O. So, to get the percent composition of carbon, that is 12 times 2 divided by 12 times 2 plus 1 times 6 plus 16, that is equal to 52.17%. To get the percent composition of hydrogen, that is 6 times 1 divided by 12 times 2 plus 1 times 6 plus 16, that is equal to 13.04%. And last, to get the percent composition of oxygen, that is 16 divided by 12 times 2 plus 1 times 6 plus 16, that is equal to 34.78%. So as you can see, though not exactly equal, pero since almost equal din naman, so okay lang. So definitely, itong C2H6O is the correct answer.